Hello everyone, good morning. It is a beautiful day here in the Netherlands. It's not raining today, so I consider that beautiful. It's still cold. But anyway, today I thought I would share with you guys what I eat in a day because I honestly have a lot of fun watching these videos and I think it's a great way to share food and recipe ideas. So I'm going to be sharing with you what I eat in a typical sort of day. I actually don't have class today, so I have a little bit more time, but I have a lot of assignments and studying and work to do, so I'll sort of be balancing that. First off, I will say apologies for looking so tired, but ever since I moved here, my sleep schedule has been super wacky, and I used to wake up between like 6 and 7 a.m. and lately I've been waking up between 9 and 10 a.m. It's currently around 10 o'clock. I just woke up, so I'm still getting adjusted, but I'm being patient with myself, giving myself time. So usually in the morning, I start my day off with just some hot or warm water with ginger. And I find that it just helps with digestion, it helps with my immunity, and it's just a good way to start. And sometimes I'll put lemon in this, but right now I just have some ginger steeping in there. So I don't always eat first thing in the morning. Usually I like to let my digestion rest a little bit, especially if I've been eating sort of late into the night before. So I do sort of, not strictly intermittent fast, but intermittent? Anyway, I do sort of do that, but it sort of varies on what time I do start eating. Sometimes it's 10:30, sometimes it's 11, sometimes it's 12, and sometimes it's 1. So as of right now, I feel like I probably won't have my first meal till around 12 or so. I'm just going to have a few cups of tea, and I have to run some errands, so I'll do that and then come back and have my first meal. Look how pretty this is. I honestly haven't seen the sun in so long, so I'm just like in awe of how beautiful a day it is. One more stop and then I get to go home. So I'm finally back home. That took way longer than it was supposed to. I think it's like 1:30 right now, which is ridiculous because I don't think I've ever actually waited this long to eat. I think I've only ever waited till maybe like 12:50 or so, but it's like 1:38 and I'm starving, so I think I'm gonna have like a little pre-breakfast while my breakfast cooks, so that I don't die while I wait. That's extreme exaggerating, but I'm very hungry, so yeah. about a quarter way through this bowl, and I just want to show you how massive this is, because you can't really tell, but both the bowl and the spoon are very, very large. I think I need to get some smaller eating ware. So I just woke up from a nap that was probably longer than it should have been, but I'm now very, very hungry. And today is kind of one of those days where I didn't really plan or coordinate my meals, so I'm kind of just using whatever I have. Sometimes you have days where everything's great and your meals are on point and they're coordinated and beautiful, and sometimes you have days where you boil potatoes and call it a day. And today is somewhere kind of in between those two, so could be worse, could be better, but I think I'm just gonna make like a big Buddha bowl with sort of whatever veggies and protein that I have on hand, so I will show you that. Super hot and had to change, but I finished cooking dinner. So this is my bowl. I just have some tempeh, if it'll focus, some tempeh, spinach, sweet potatoes, onions, garlic, and I think that's it. Oh, and some beans also. And I drizzled some tahini on there because tahini makes everything better, and a little bit of lemon. So yeah, I'm going to dig into this. I will see you for dessert. So I'm currently working on a paper while eating one of these little stroopwafels because I am in the Netherlands and they are delicious, and some dark chocolate. And this brand I highly recommend. It's called Tony's, and it's actually a Dutch company, and they really focus on sourcing their chocolate ethically without slavery and child labor, and the chocolate's also really good. This one I think is like, I think it's like 70% dark chocolate. I typically like to eat a little bit higher of a percentage. I like everything above 80%, but it is still very good. Also, before I wrap up this video, I do just want to say that I really enjoy what I eat in a day videos because I think it's a great way to share food ideas and inspiration for recipes. But I don't think that it's a very effective way of managing the amount that you eat. I, for one, everything that I ate today, those portion sizes and the amounts all vary depending on the day. Sometimes I eat twice as much as that, and sometimes I eat half as much of that, depending on where I'm at in my cycle and how I'm feeling. So it's really important to just listen to your body and make sure that you are nourishing yourself and taking care of yourself, and not base what you eat and how much you eat on other people. So yes, I think it's good to watch these videos for inspiration, or just for fun to see what other people are eating, but I think you should listen to your body for the portion sizes. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know, because this is the first time I've sort of done one like this, so I would love to do more if you're interested. So have a wonderful rest of your day, and thank you for watching.